offensive rebound by Cavite City. And another one. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin na gagawa ng paraan ng Mindoro Burbits yung mga offensive rebounds ng mga
Had 10 bench points, also scored 10 points in the shaded area, and most importantly, they were able to force 6 turnovers wherein talagang sinamantala nila yan, scoring 6 turnover points as well.
Meanwhile, a good start by both squads, no? Nitong both teams. Para no 16 and under din, no? Ang tatangkad ng players ng Cavite City.
Totoo yan. Not only they're tall, they're quick and athletic. And that last inbound play, ito nga si Julio able to get half a step ahead dun sa kanyang defender. That's why he was able to get that ball and that foul.
Julio now at the free throw line, looking to add on to this 7-point lead by Cavite. And Julio, as big as he is, partner, no? Palagi ko wala pang 18 to eh. Napaka baby face pa. Samantala, yeah. Take a look at the supporters of Junior NPBL here.
And look at that, passing na naman para dito sa Cavite City. Carving that space inside. Grabing galaw naman yun.
Wow, big man move, pero with a hint of a flying power forward, no?
Is he really a left-handed player?
Si Julio,
Kinaliwa eh.
Yeah. Trading baskets. Ang bilis nun, in a span of 30 seconds, parang nakatatlong baskets na kagad. 4 na!
What a tough shot para dito kay Julio, turning around to the baseline. Pero ito nga, yung ganitong sitwasyon, napalitan ng baskets, that is something that Cavite City can afford.
Last shot by Julio, Malakobi.
Kaya
And now, volleyball there. Oh, erased by Julio. Sabi ni Julio, konting heft. Now, a 21-point lead para sa Cavite City Aces Solar. Julio pulls up and soft touch by the big guy. Against 2 defenders, no less, partner.
And that kid is already ripe for the collegiate ranks, I should say.
Well scouted na ni Coach Melo.
And
Pakuha na natin yung number.
Can even play the 3 spot itong si Julio.
I mean, that last shot that he made, he was double teamed. Nag-pull up lang and knocked that baseline J down. Toward that.
Problema naman that time for Cavite City. They're supposed to be pressuring backcourt, pero masyado namang maluwag yung on-ball defense.
And flexing underneath Julio. I mean, Custodio initially had good defensive position, but he just couldn't keep himself from bringing his arms down, Coach Melo, no? And that's why he got the foul, and now he is being relieved.
Doon na rin yung bump kasi. And after that bump, pag sinalo mo yung impact, mapapababa ka rin talaga ng kamay.
Right. And yun namang credit naman na yun to Julio, no? For just knowing what to do underneath. Big man moves nga.